Understanding, pass away, a gentle introduction to euphemisms in English. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to explore a very common but important phrase in the English language: pass away. When learning a new language, it's not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about the phrases that carry emotional weight. Understanding these phrases can be crucial in speaking English sensitively and appropriately. So, let's get started and delve into the meaning and use of pass away. The phrase, pass away, is a euphemism for dying. Euphemisms are mild or indirect words or expressions used to convey something more harsh or blunt when discussing sensitive topics. Pass away is used to talk about death in a more gentle way, often when we want to avoid the finality and harshness associated with the word die. Formal and informal contexts. You can use pass away in both formal and informal contexts. It's universally understood and accepted. However, it's more commonly used during personal conversations or when expressing condolences. In conversation, when speaking about someone who has died, you might say, "I heard that her grandfather passed away last weekend." This shows sympathy and respect for the person who is grieving. Writing condolences. In writing, especially in condolence cards or emails, using pass away is a way to soften the message. "We are deeply sorry to hear that your aunt passed away." Understanding euphemisms like pass away is crucial in English because they reflect cultural attitudes towards delicacy and respect in difficult times. Knowing when to use such phrases can help in communicating with empathy and care, especially when discussing death, which is a sensitive topic in many cultures. There are other variations and synonyms for pass away that also serve as euphemisms for death. Phrases like passed on, gone to a better place, or departed carry a similar level of sensitivity and are used in comparable contexts. Being aware of these can enrich your conversational skills and understanding of English. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase pass away and its importance in English communication. Remember, learning a language is not just about words but also about the emotions and cultural nuances they carry. So, use these phrases with kindness and respect, and you will certainly enhance your English-speaking journey. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends who are on this language learning adventure too. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.